the appropriate learning skills are that one should hear regularly with faith. That is the appropriate learning skill. There's no other mundane method. Yeah, you can take notes and this and that, maybe do, what do they call it, mind maps and all this and that. But the real basis is that one should hear regularly and with faith from the proper source. That is the appropriate learning skill. Take responsibility for their learning. Healthy study habits. Healthy study habits means regularly study in a mood of submission. And again, not twisting the philosophy to screw out some meaning. These are, again, terms that Srila Prabhupada uses. To screw out some meaning which is not in the original text.